For all those who already know me, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, thanks a lot for clicking on this video. I promise to not disappoint you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now, we all wish to look like something we're not. I personally am 5'2" and I have a pear-shaped body. A pear-shaped body is the one that has a wider hip girth and a leaner torso. But I always tend to style myself in a way to look taller and something that complements my body type. So here are some tips for all those pear-shaped petite girls that you can try. Rule number 1. Go for everything high-waisted. From jeans to shorts to skirts, everything high-waisted is a must if you have a similar body type as mine. High-waisted jeans complements a pear-shaped and a petite body. Having a longer torso and shorter legs, I personally think that high-waisted jeans or shorts or skirts give you an illusion of longer legs that tends to make you look taller. And also, high-waisted jeans accentuate the slimmest part of your body, that is your waist, giving you the perfect body type that you desire. Also, I think that making your trousers or jeans a little bit shorter can also give an illusion of longer body. It tends to give the kind of impact that those trousers are like short for your body, so you have a longer legs and longer body type. Tip number 2. Pair one loose and one body hugging cloth type. I personally know that oversized clothes are the best way to show your comfort, but pairing two oversized clothes is just a disaster. So pair your bell-bottom jeans or your joggers with a tight body hugging top and you're good to go. Also, on a variation, you can pair a loose top or a sweatshirt with jeans or leggings that are body hugging and you have the perfect outfit of the day. Rule number 3. Go for monochromes. A complete monochrome attire gives an illusion of a single line from head to toe. It makes you look taller. Also, you can cut the monochrome with adding a cardigan or a sling or anything that complements the colors that you are wearing in monochrome. Tip number 4. Go for cropped or long cardigans. Do not go for any cardigan or sweatshirt that ends on the waist area, because it will only bring impact on the waist area. That is something you don't want to show off. Rule number 5. Pair your clothes in such a way that you wear a lighter shade in the area you want to highlight the most. Like, I personally want to highlight my upper torso the most than my lower one because of the hip girth. So I pair my lighter shade tops with a darker washed jeans or denims, and that gives an illusion of a slimmer bottom and a more vibrant and colorful torso. Go for boat neck or V-neck tops, because as a pear-shaped body, you want to have a hourglass shaped body. That is the nearest you can achieve. So to achieve that hourglass shaped body type, you need to broaden your shoulders, and boat neck V-neck tops does exactly the same thing. Rule number 7. Follow those geometrical or print patterns that have vertical line and not a horizontal line, because vertical lines will make you look taller and horizontal lines will make you look broader, and you don't want that because you've already got a broader hip girth. So go for pants or plazos that have vertical lines that will make you look taller and slimmer. Also for tops, you can go for ribbed tops like this one that have vertical lines to give you a slimmer look and to give a body hugging figure. These are 7 tips that you can follow and will never disappoint you. For it, girls. Bye bye.